In this video, I'll show you how to watch Netflix on Apple CarPlay. If you've ever tried to watch Netflix on your Apple CarPlay screen, you already know. It's not possible by default. But in this video, I'll show you a simple way to get the Netflix working on CarPlay. Let's get started. First, open Safari or Chrome on your iPhone and search for an app called WheelPal. This app helps you watch video apps like Netflix on your CarPlay screen. Go to the official site and download it. Once installed, open WheelPal. Now, for this to work fully, your iPhone needs to be jailbroken. Don't worry, the app shows you exactly how to do it. Just follow the steps on screen. It's mostly tapping through instructions. And remember, jailbreaking might void your warranty, so only do this if you're okay with that. After jailbreaking, reopen WheelPal, and it will show you a list of apps you can use with CarPlay. Select Netflix, give it permission, and restart your phone. Now plug your phone into your car, and boom, Netflix should show up right on your CarPlay screen. You can now log in and watch anything. But here's the thing. Depending on where you live, some Netflix shows might still be blocked. That's where NordVPN helps. It lets you change your virtual location and unlock more content, all while keeping your internet secure. I use it myself when I'm traveling or on the go. Link in description to try NordVPN at great price.